Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm walking you through the multi-metric support inside of dashboards. It is now possible to select two different metrics and showcase those inside of different chart types. Now there are a few marketing activities where it makes total sense to set it up. For example, if you're running paid ads. If you're running paid ads, you want to have a look at your data, you want to compare ads from today, how are they working, how are they performing compared to yesterday, to last week, to 2 weeks ago, maybe even to 30 days ago. Now, let me show you how you can set this up. All right, first let's click on dashboards on the left. If you have several dashboards, you click the drop-down menu and select the correct dashboard. Let's select the first dummy one right here. Then click the edit button top right corner. Then click on add widget, and then here you can select the chart type, line, bar, or horizontal. Let's go with line for now. Then select any widget. I think opportunities is a good one. Let's select open opportunities, okay? Then here under metric, you would select the second metric. So the first one is count of opportunity, which we just selected, right? But then if we want to have another one, we could say average of revenue, sum of revenue, for example. Let's take the sum, okay? So the count of opportunity, how many people are now pipeline and how much are they worth? That's amazing. Then here you can select further criteria, for example, created on, updated on, status changed, and so on and so forth. So if you select a date one, let's stick with created on, for example, you see the breakdown here for daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. Okay, let's stick to daily, for example. Then under settings, scroll down, you can select comparison date range, no comparison, or let's say the previous 31 days, and then let's hit save. And ta-da, and here on the left, you can see our new widget showing up. Now let's close this and make that a little bit bigger. Let's drag and drop that. Nice, now you can see exactly those two metrics, right? Lighter blue is the sum of revenue and the little darker blue is the count of opportunities. Now let's create really quick a bar one as well, just to show you how it looks like visually. Click add widget. Let's select the bar one for now. Let's select opportunities. Let's say open opportunity value. So sum of revenue, that's good. Click the drop-down menu and let's say the average of revenue, okay? Let's click advanced settings. Let's compare to the year before and let's hit save. Let's X this out. Ta-da! And here we have the bar graph. This data is also static, so if you click on it, you will gain a deeper insight of who is in your pipeline. And that's it already. This is how you set up multi-data support inside of dashboards. I hope you like this feature, which will really help you to make educated decisions on your marketing activities, and I will see you in the next video.